Hey guys, today let's see how we can make a YouTube short. Usually I store my media files needed in another disk to reduce stress on my C drive. We also have a notepad document with the timing of the text so that we can copy paste the text into the video. Now let's import our files into the project. Now import the video into the timeline. I'm also trimming the video as a proper short can only be 51 seconds max. Before editing, change the sequence settings size to 1080 by 1920 as this is the optimum video size for shorts. Now I'm going to change the size of the video to show only appropriate parts of the video. Since I need to show the controls and changes in this part, I'm going to replicate the video and crop each one. Cropping can be found when searching for effects and drag dropping it to your video. I'm going to add a white background so you can see the text more clearly. I'm going to add the text in respect to the time of the video. We usually use Calibri bold and size the text appropriately to the video. For shorts, we use a small outro which I found from YouTube. I will try to leave the link in the description. Also, I imported a music to the video. Let me crop it down. And reduce the audio gain to reduce its volume. After making your final edits, use the I and the O on your keyboard to select in and out, which shows which plane you want the video from. To export a video, go to File, Export and Media, or just use Ctrl+M. Make sure your entire video appears. Now keep the format to H.264. Bitrate is optional, but medium bitrate is good enough for YouTube. From output name, select a name for your output and an appropriate location. Storing it in my C drive will enable faster encoding as it is an SSD. Make sure your audio and video is ticked and click on export to make the video. That's it for today guys. Hope you learned to make your own short. And if you have any questions, leave it down below. See you in the next video. Peace.